I saw Mr. Karoshi for my adenomyosis. He went through a detailed consultation with me and then sent me for some tests to determine the extent and severity of my adenomyosis. He was very good at deciding which consultants to send me to and centers to send me to for the tests. And I think that made a very big difference. And since then, I've had two options in terms of my treatment. And we finally settled, or I finally decided on Zoladex implants, which he's been doing for me. And so far, pretty good. This has been quite an eye-opener for me, considering that I work in healthcare and I have done some for over 20 years. You know, I come across good clinicians and bad clinicians, and you reflect on your own practice. But I have to say, Mr. Karoshi has gone beyond my expectations. He's been absolutely thorough and incredible. I'd seen other consultants in the private sector previously. I've also seen my NHS doctors, and nowhere did I get the level of commitment to improving my well-being that Mr. Karoshi has shown. You know, just from simple things like his bedside manner to his knowledge and skill and explaining things to me has been really phenomenal. For the first time, I felt somebody knew or had some indication of what I was going through and was invested in helping me get a better quality of life. I would say to anyone out there, if you are having any gynecological issues that is being blamed on menopause or what it is, I would highly recommend Mr. Karoshi. He's extremely knowledgeable, he's skilled, and he genuinely cares about his patients and what he does. He's passionate about what he does, and I think that's very reflected in the outcomes I've had. So I'd highly recommend him.